Spread, so do concerns about medical equipment. Hospitals around the country are concerned about shortages of equipment and protective gear. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live in the city of Hartford now. And Mike, how are the hospitals stocked so far, you think?
Well, Dennis, what we're hearing today is that hospitals have enough supply for right now, but the concern is that we may face a shortage if we see our cases surge. And that's why they want the federal government to do something about it.
It's something that we're talking about every day in a way that in my 5 years as a physician, I never heard this conversation happen.
A growing concern about the supply of medical gear and equipment, and now a call for the federal government to help.
It is time to federalize the national critical medical supply chain.
President Donald Trump has resisted calls to use his authority under the Defense Production Act to force manufacturers to make medical supplies. Trump is worried about temporarily nationalizing companies. But doctors in Connecticut say it's time.
From my position as a chief in this program and as a physician, I don't see why, if not now, when.
I think it's not just masks we're talking about, it's also respirators, ventilators.
John Rodas is president of St. Francis Hospital. He says he has enough personal protective gear, or PPE, as long as it's used properly.
The only time you really have to wear one is when you're specifically taking care of a known COVID positive patient, and you're doing a procedure like intubation where you're going to be very close to them.
But he's worried about a surge of COVID-19 cases, and he's not alone.
We're all facing this similar problem, and so it's pretty clear that we need a national effort to fix this urgently.
There's also concerns about suppliers hoarding and price gouging. U.S. Senator Chris Murphy has co-sponsored a bill that would force Trump to take action.
The problem is that the private sector supply chain has broken down. It has just simply broken down. It is a Lord of the Flies scenario today.
Now, President Trump did invoke the Defense Production Act last week, but he said this afternoon that he wants to use it as leverage and not to force manufacturers to do something. Reporting live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Mike.